happening.
Myntri Rangbah ke jela konred kesang mah ne kesengi ulai tho bela penlong ya ke jing jurup ban wanra ke Lynti rel ha East Giant Hills District. Ha ba crunch kala pathai khobor konred ulaong ha ga baidai ba ke rilum KHASI bat ribhoi lapen sange aswa shipor. Konred ulaong ba ke sarkar India kan up slam namar kala ban penduk no ya ke ni ke projek haduk shalong bat ya ke pisa on sa penken ria ski wei pat ki than ki bedon ya kalat ban play ya ke Lynti rel. Ha ke juk kapor ha bajuba ki jing kili halor ke jing khang ya ke jing shalan bean ya udo yong ha kapor bedon ke jing ya kenduk ke G20 konred ulaong bakam long kabala ke sarkar ban pensange sendon ya ke jing ti bat ke jing shalan bean ya udo yong ulaong ru baki don ki an ki ba pher ki ban penshito me ki breu ki bedon kti ha ka jing khai tu ya udo yong.
Everything has been put on hold. There is an active talk with Government of India that the money that has been outlaid for this project will be diverted and will be put up for projects for other zones or other areas. The only long-term solution to ensure that we are not able to see or not have any kind of activities which are illegal in nature. There are only two ways. One is to come out with policies that will legalize, and that's what we're doing. And two, to create alternative livelihood. So it's a process. It takes time and it moves forward. But we're happy to see that now the legal mining process is going to start, and we have scientific mining. So we'll see those things. And on the other side also, we're having different forms of livelihood that are coming out, whether it's in the agriculture sector or tourism sector.
Myntri